Let's meet the Alphablocks.
Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Play. Today we're going to be checking out an education app just like Numberblocks but with alphabets. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification button for more of my videos. In Meet the Alphablocks, you get to sing with each alphablock while learning letter sounds and phonics. Let's have a go at Meet the Alphablocks, shall we?
Let's play.
A is for apple and alphabet. B in the band with a big blue bass. Makes cracks all over the place.
On drums, drumming all day. Eh, eh, eh. Eh echoes a long, long way.
As fun flying in the air. G g g g g g glug glug, sun grows green hair. Huffs and puffs and hurries along. It is so important, hear my song. J is a jaybird, jump, jump, jump.
Kicks a ball, it lands with a bump.
Sings a lovely lullaby.
Is munching, my oh my.
Says never. No way, no. Says which means hello.
Pop, pop, pops all around. Qu needs a to make her sound. Arrives and roars. Starts sagging, then she soars.
Tut-tuts when it's time for tea. Says unfair, unlucky me. Vroom vrooms rushing about.
Weeps and water comes out.
the rescue with his X-ray.
Yeah says yes, yippee and yay!
Z is snoring in his bed.
Time to wake up, sleepyhead.
Let's play.
Ah, ah, ah. A is for apple and alphabet. B, 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 b. B in the band with a big blue bass. C makes cracks all over the place.
D-d-d-d-d. D on drums, drumming all day. Eh, eh, eh. E echoes a long, long way.
F has fun flying in the air. G, 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 g. G glug glugs and grows green hair. H huffs and puffs and hurries along. I am so important, hear my song. Jay's a jolly jaybird, jump, jump, jump.
K kicks a ball, it lands with a bump.
L sings a lovely lullaby.
M is munching my oh my.
N says never. No way, no.
Obviously that was O. P pops in and pops out too. Q is quiet without you. R arrives and roar, roar, roars. S starts sagging, then she soars.
T tut-tuts when it's time for tea.
says unfair, unlucky me.
Vroom, vroom's rushing about.
Woo 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 woo. W weeps and water comes out.
X to the rescue with his X-ray.
Y says yes, yippee and yay.
Z is snoring in his bed.
Time to wake up, sleepyhead.
Hope you like Meet the Alphablocks. It's available for free in the App Store. Remember to subscribe. Bye!